first thing we want to do is remove our dipstick. This is going to help the crankcase vent properly when draining our engine oil. Using a 17mm socket, we'll remove both drain bolts. If you'll notice, the skid plate has engine oil stamped at each location. As the oil is draining, now we want to check the condition of the crush washer. If they're damaged or missing, you want to replace them to prevent any future leaks. Once the oil is drained, we'll go ahead and reinstall both bolts and torque these to 21 foot-pounds. Now, to remove the oil filter, you'll notice on the side of the crankcase, the cap stamped ENG is for the engine oil. We'll just use an 8mm and remove the 3 bolts to pull the cap out. Make sure you take care with the spring and remove the old oil filter. Now it's time to install the new filter. You want the rubber grommet pushed in towards the engine, and the filter also has this side out stamped on it. We'll put our spring back in place, reinstall our 8mm bolts, and just snug these down to around 9 foot-pounds is all we need. We'll go ahead and reinstall our dipstick and remove the back access cover in the cargo bed. Removing this will give us access to the oil fill. Now it's time to fill the engine with oil. Honda states that this unit holds 6.8 quarts of Honda 10W30 motorcycle oil. We'll go ahead and put our oil fill cap back in place. And now it's time to start the engine up. Let it idle for about 3 to 5 minutes. That's going to get the oil circulated through the system properly. Once it's done that, we'll shut the engine off and let it sit for about 5 minutes. That'll let the oil settle to get a proper oil level. Now we'll go right back to the dipstick, remove the dipstick, and then wipe off the excess oil. And on this engine, we want to thread the dipstick fully in place and then remove it to get our level. And this looks perfect, guys, so let's go ahead and hit the trails.